Hi guys, it's Dominika and welcome back to my channel. We're switching gear a little bit. I'm gonna give you a little bit of a different vibe for this video. I'm actually gonna share with you 5 tips on how to look good and feel good almost every day. And I know every day it's impossible because we go through so much during the day, but I'll do my best to kind of equip you with all the information that will help you make different decisions. So by the way, as you know, I'm a fan of no filter. Verbally and also on my skin. I edit my thumbnails just to kind of make it look pretty, but other than that, I love to show my real skin, how the makeup looks like on my skin, which is aging, has pores, fine lines, spots, all sorts of crazy imperfections. And so I want to show you what the realistic results would look like with good makeup and bad makeup, high end, lower end, whatever. So I'm not going to go into it too much because today is time for 5 tips on how to look and feel good every day. I have my cheat sheet on this side, so I'm gonna definitely probably use it during the video. So number 1, start a skincare routine. We age every day. As we get older, our skin loses moisture. Doesn't matter if you're 20, 30, 40 or 50. It doesn't matter. It's never too late to start replenishing that moisture. Obviously, more mature skin is not gonna benefit from it as much, but please start AM and PM skincare routine as soon as you can. Get yourself a good face wash, lotion, cream, maybe a serum that you feel those ingredients may work for you. Try that, get yourself ready for it, do it religiously twice a day, and within 2-3 weeks you're gonna see results. I actually know a lot of young women that don't really use a lot of products. They don't use moisturizers on their face. They just put the body lotion on their face and all sorts of crazy things. I do it sometimes too with cocoa butter, but that's a different story. That's a story for another time. So please just replenish that moisture and your skin will thank you for that. Number 2, never sleep with your makeup on. I know Kim Kardashian said she does do it, okay? And she's a human being like us, but I feel like, she's perfect, right? So she can sleep with the makeup on because her skin is not going to suffer from it. But honestly, please don't follow for things like that. It's crucial that you wash your face at night to remove that makeup, to remove the oil, to give the moisture back. And while you're sleeping, your skin is breathing, replenish that moisture for you with the moisturizer that you use. Your skin needs to breathe, need to rest from the makeup, so you shouldn't be wearing makeup 24/7. Please wash your face twice a day, apply good moisturizer, good serum on, whatever you have available, and do not sleep with the makeup on. It causes so much damage. Makeup sits in lines. If you wear it for 24 hours a day, it's going to sit in your lines, enhance actually all imperfections on your face. So you're gonna see the makeup sitting in fine lines in your skin. Your pores will now become more visible and probably even clogged. So please do yourself a favor and wash your face twice a day. Number 3, there's a new product being launched every day in this country. There's so much to try, so many magical potions and creams and serums that you just dying to try because they promise so much and they claim to be the best in the market. Please don't fall for it. Don't try too many things at once, okay? First of all, if you try a lot of different things at the same time, different products, let's say 3 different foundations at the same time, your skin may actually break up, have allergic reaction to it. You also strip the moisture every time you wash your face and try to apply another product, and then wash your face again to try another product. So please try one product at a time. Another reason, how are you going to know which product works and which one doesn't, right? So you definitely want to try one product at a time to see if it works for your skin, if the ingredients are right, and if it doesn't give you any allergic reaction. So take your time in between. There's so many products. You have plenty of time to try them and you don't have to rush. Take at least a week or 2 weeks to test the product to see if it works for your skin or not. And typically you would know within 3-4 days, you're gonna know how your skin feels. And yes, we all get tempted to try so many different things, and I'm guilty of it sometimes as well, but my skin is a little bit different. I think it's just so used to me trying products in order to review them for you, trying to few different foundations at the same time. It's just my job, right? So that's what I do. So I take that risk, and sometimes, believe me, I feel like my skin, after a day of trying product and putting makeup on, maybe shooting 2 different videos during one day, it definitely does damage to my skin and stresses my skin a little bit. So just be mindful of it. Just try one product at a time. Number 4, very easy. Eat right, sleep right, take supplements, drink water, exercise. Did I say exercise? Maybe. Those things are very important. If you take care of your body externally and internally at the same time, and just treat yourself as a whole human being, you're going to benefit from it, and also your skin is going to benefit from it. Example, if we're stressing over something, I remember having high school exams. I didn't sleep for a few nights, was pulling all-nighters, studying, drinking coffee, smoking cigarettes, yes, and feeling so great about it, right? Oh my God, my skin was horrible looking. I was only 17 and I looked like I was 35 because all of a sudden my skin got dry from too much coffee. I got dehydrated. I didn't sleep right, so I just looked tired. My lines around my eyes start showing. Oh God, there's a Family Guy episode with Stewie Griffin looking like that after smoking, and after drinking all night, and that's exactly what it felt like, and the skin showed that right away. So try to be mindful of what you put in your body. Try not to stress over too many things, because maybe those are things that you even don't have a control over, right? So try not to add more stress. Meditate, take your supplements, go for a walk. Example, if you eat greasy food all the time or fried food, it's going to show on your skin, on your face. Maybe you break up. Maybe you become really oily. I don't know. It's just very important to take care of your body from within. Take care of your mind, take care of your body, do all the right things, eat the right things, and your face is going to thank you for it one day. And number 5, and I think probably very important. Do not believe in everything that you see on Instagram or YouTube. Very well paid influencers use amazing, very expensive lighting, very expensive cameras, and also filters. So on the top of having great equipment that blurs their faces out a little bit, they still put filters, and some cameras come with it, so I don't do that. I don't want to do it. I am aging. I have fine lines. I have visible pores. I have somewhat oily skin today, and I'm gonna show it because if I'm trying Chanel foundation, I want you to see what this Chanel foundation looks like on a real human being with skin texture, right? So then you can make a decision. Oh, I feel like I have similar skin type to yours, and so this is what I should be expecting from this foundation. Whereas every single foundation that some influencer use look amazing on them because they're selling the product, right? So just don't believe in everything that you hear and see, because we live in times where we can edit the shit out of ourselves. And for this video, for this purpose, don't get me wrong, I edit my thumbnails because I want it to look catchy, nice. I want to look presentable and cute so you can click on that video, right? That's just normal. But for this video, I'm gonna blur the shit out of my face. I'm gonna put my thumbnail through major Photoshop work and to show you what my face looks like when I spend, let's say, an hour editing it pixel by pixel. And it's not gonna look realistic. Is it gonna look cute? I don't know. I'm gonna see. I haven't done it yet, but yeah, pay attention to it for this video and let me know what you think. Leave the comment behind. And that's pretty much it. That's all I prepared for today. I just want to switch a gear a little bit. I do so much product review and so many first impressions, and sometimes I just don't have time to breathe in between those. So yeah, let me know if you like this video. If you did, please click the like button and subscribe. It helps me so much. And thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.